Excuse me, I just want to get by. Thank you.
I mentioned 3 countries that we are registered charity. No. Yes, sir. Yes. You want us to bring it there? What? No. I don't think anyone's getting the question. Yeah. Canada. Yes, we are a registered charity in Canada.
I'm going to squeeze through. Thank you.
USA, Masha. And there's a 3rd country, yes, sir. UK,
I'm going to get through. Thank you.
How many people here love their parents?
You guys don't love your parents?
Can we park that?
So if you would like to build a water well in the name of a parent or a grandparent, how much would it cost to do that in Uganda? Let's see. Buying a show What year did Droplets of Mercy register to become a charity? A registered charity.
Somebody has a bubble. Oh, I want your bubble machine. Oh, that's fun. I want the bubble
2018
machine.
is when we started as a nonprofit.
The clouds are beautiful. Look at the clouds.
Become a registered charity.
The bling bling.
2020. 2019, no. No.
I want that bubble machine.
2025, is that the right answer, Phillip? No, it was not.
A gummy rush.
2024. Please give the lady a shirt. She gave a lot of correct answers, but there were different contexts.
Earrings. Not that I haven't worn earrings
And
in
inshallah, we
ages.
will also be here all day tomorrow with more giveaways than that. If you
I hear music. I'm gonna mute.